cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later, the future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things, a 500, bands wanting flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream, been known to disappear before your eyes, it's like a dope thing. It seems my main thing was to be major, pay the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. They might hold me for a second, but these punks won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug life. Every time they pass, all eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga until the day I die.